Hey guys, so I've had this fish in for a whole eternity. Okay, not like whole eternity really, but about 3 weeks in. It was super frozen. I think it's still defrosting or done. So I just want to cut it up into 3 pieces and prepare dinner. So I want to make some fish stew. This is a salty water fish called TAFI. I don't know the English name, but I'll just I'll fix it. I'll fix the words somewhere on the video, just for you guys to search for it in English. So I'll first fry this up. Of course, marinate it with some spices. Definitely using garlic, ginger, some lemon, fish masala, cumin. Cumin is a must. Cumin is a must. And yeah, any other spice that I'll use along the way to marinate this fish for about 30 minutes as I prepare the rest of the ingredients. So then after frying it, deep frying it, I will stew it up. Then I'll serve that up with some mokimo. Yes, some mashed potatoes. Green mashed potatoes, Kenyan style. Yeah, and serve them up with some veggies, and that will be dinner for today. So let's make this. Let's make this. It has been marinating now for about 40 minutes, and it's ready to be cooked. So I'm just going to deep fry this. Our fish is perfectly fried, so it's ready to go in our stew. So we are just making a basic tomato and basil soup or stew, then adding our fish. Our tomato soup stew is ready, and at this point I'm ready to put in our fried fish so that it can absorb some of the flavors, but I don't want it to soak up so much. I want the fish still crispy-ish. So I'll just put these in and leave them for about 2 minutes, 2 minutes max, and then I switch off the flame and serve my fish stew. So that's simple, that's simple. So here is our final meal. We have plated the mokimo with the fish and the stir-fried broccoli. Yes, this is dinner. This is basically a typical Kenyan dinner, and we are having these cabbage salad by the side. Yeah.